Your online reputation is as crucial as your hands-on skill in remedial massage. Understand this. A negative reputation online can tarnish years of expertise and really hurt your business. Let me offer a thought-provoking insight. Building your online reputation doesn't just mitigate that risk. It formulates a robust strategy to attract new clients. The not-so-talked-about consequence of ignoring this is a gradual decline in your visibility and relevance online. If you haven't already implemented a strategy to protect your online reputation, make it a priority to start right now.
To extend your knowledge of online reputation, we invite you to get your current online reputation score. You'll find a link in the description. The most common comment we get from those that check their score is, "I'm amazed at how much of our business information is incorrect." Thanks for watching. And do go get your online score now. It takes less than 2 minutes.